Hi, I'm Mark, and this is Toys and Tat, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing this Ken figure from Jada Toys. Hadouken! Okay, so full disclosure, I have gone in and taken all the bits of sellotape off the packaging and off the box, just because you don't want to see that really. It's a bit boring, isn't it? So anyway, let's carry on. So let's have a look at the box. So we have packaging. I do like this arcade sort of front here, bit of button mashing there going on. Oh, it takes me back. Yeah, a nice bit. There's a bit about Ken on the side, artwork from the game when it was released, and a picture of the figure on the back, and the other characters. So yeah, this bit of packaging goes. It's quite nice because it's got all the warnings and stuff that on the bottom, so you know you don't get that all over the back like you do on some of the like the Hasbro things. This is my first Jada Toys. So it's Ken from Street Fighter 2 Ultra, the final challenges. So let's get into it. They have done some other figures a lot in the Street Fighter range. So I know they've done Chun-Li and Ryu, Bison, and another character. I think it was one that looks a bit like Bruce Lee. So let's get it out. And this is a nice little touch. This is so when you fight Ken in Street Fighter 2, this is his setting. The dock battle, sitting on the dock of the bay. Yeah, that's a nice little touch. So right, that's the packaging. Let's have a look at the figure. So the figure comes with extra hands and extra face expression, a fireball and a fireball stand. So let's have a look at the fireball and the stand. Oh, if I can get it out. There we go. And there's a stand. I'll put that to one side for a second. Oh, that's nice. Nice little touch there. Got the hands in there, so like the position of Ken's hands when he produces the fireball. Hadouken! Yeah, that's quite nice. Quite a nice finish to it. I suppose there'd be a hole. There's a hole for the stand. So let's put that together quickly. It just slots in there, does it? Yeah. And then to the base. Yeah, that's quite good, doesn't it? Quite like that. Okay, let's put that over to one side. Let's get his head out and his extra hands. It's a bit of an angry face Ken on there. Mid-fight, I would have thought. And then we've got his flat hands. They've got articulation on it, so you can pose them. That's quite nice. Not too stiff actually. That's quite good. Right, now let's get Ken himself out. Oh, it's well and truly in there. So here we go. A bit of articulation in his head. So his sort of jacket is kind of like is rubber, and then like his arms and the rest of him is like kind of solid plastic. A bit of shadowing on his leg there. Same on that side. I don't know if that's supposed to be there, but I think so. By the looks of it, yeah. So I suppose he's about. So look, I've got him. It's 15 centimetres, 16 centimetres. So about a 6-inch figure then. His feet are all articulating, a bit stiff, little stiffness. Oh, his legs are a bit stiff as well. Is that double jointed? I can't tell. Oh, they twist and move from the hip as well. So quite poseable. His legs do feel a bit stiff though. Not too bad. But his arms are stiff. Oh. Yeah, I think if they were any stiffer, I'd be afraid to move them because I don't want to break it. But his arms rotate at the shoulder, all the way around. And on his neck. Oh, so overall, quite happy with that. I think I might have to look into getting some of the other lines, the other figures in the line. It's quite good. Let's see how easy it is to change his head. Oh, pops up quite easily. Yeah. Bit angry there. Let's try his fists. Okay, they pop out. Nice and easy. Yeah. There we go. Quite happy with him there. Well, that's quite good. Let's see if we can get him in some poses. In a second, let's do that now, shall we? So, I expect that'll be the. So we get him a classic fight fire pose, which I'm guessing would be kind of bend that up there. That arm there. So like that. See if we can get him. Oh, no, he does pose quite well. That across there. Hadouken! Yeah, nice. I like the posability on them. They're really good. Right, well, there's my review. I paid, how much? I paid £20 for them. It did have discount on Amazon. They're normally around about £25. So that's why I kind of pulled the trigger, see what they were like, really. Do I think it's worth the money? Yeah, I do. I like the packaging. I think having that sort of the backdrop there for the figure works really well. I like the posability. His legs do feel a little bit stiff, and his arms a bit stiff as well. But I expect that would loosen over time with play wear, I expect. But overall, I think they're really good little figures, and I shall be looking out for the rest of the line. I know Jada have just released Angry Ken and a pink version of Chun-Li for this year's San Diego Comic-Con. So they'll be available soon, I would imagine. Yeah, I really like these. I'm just going to go off and have some fun posing him up. So if you enjoyed this video, Hadouken that like button and subscription button, and I'll do some more reviews and repairs. So and don't forget to visit toysandtat.com for latest toy news and articles on vintage toys. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.
Round one, fight!
Hadouken!
You win!
Hadouken!